Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue Cybersecurity 101 and we will solve Windows Fundamentals 3. Okay, introduction. Read the above and start the virtual machine, check. Windows updates. Let's starting things off with Windows updates. There were two definition updates installed in the attached VM. On what date were these updates installed? Okay. Open the search box and write here Windows updates, Windows update settings, yes. View update history, definition updates, and our date is that. Okay. Windows security. Checking the security section on your VM, which area needs immediate attention. Okay, settings. Windows security. Virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection. Specifically, what's turned off the Windows is notifying you turn on. Okay. Manage settings. Real-time protection. Yes, our answer is that. Because the red color is warning. Real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. Okay. Real-time protection. Firewall and network protection. Okay. Firewall and network protection. And there are three types of network. Firstly, public network, for more example, coffee, airport, and etc. Private network and office or home, and domain network. If you were connected to airport, what most likely will be actively firewall profile? Public network. Okay. Public network is our answer. There are three types of network: domain network, private network, and public network. Domain profile applies to networks where the host system can authenticate to a domain controller properties. For example, offices or homes network. Public is, for example, airport network or coffee shop network and etc. Okay. App and browser control. Okay, read the text and read the above. Check device security. What is TPM? TPM is a hardware-based that security-related functions, and it's used to realize cryptographic operations and trusted platform model. BitLocker. We should use a removable drive on systems without a TPM version 1.2 or later. What's removable drive contain? Okay, read the documentation. Okay, our answer is startup USB. Yes, I read the documentation and our answer is startup K. In addition to the TPM, BitLocker can lock the normal startup process until the user supplies a personal identification number or inserts a removable device that contains the startup key. Okay. Volume shadow copy service. Okay. Read the text. What is VSS volume shadow copy service? Conclusion, read the above, check. Okay guys, we finished this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.